It's a 81 Trans Am. So y'all just keep watching the channel. We're gonna be doing a lot of things to this car and getting it back running and get it back on the road. So just keep your eyes open. I think these have been replaced. I don't remember if he said those have been replaced. They look good though. Got the marker lights in the front. Get the new emblem. So yeah, just keep your eyes open, guys. Like I say, got this thing in the shop. It'll be time to jump on it and let's hear this thing rumble. So we will catch up with y'all later.